LaTeX Math for Confluence lets you render complex math formulas and equations directly on your Confluence pages. Today we'll explore arrays, a flexible way to organize numbers, variables, or text in rows and columns. Arrays are similar to matrices, but offer more control for formatting and aligning content. They're especially useful for piecewise functions or aligning equations with explanations. An array in LaTeX lets you create a grid of elements with different alignment for each column. Choose left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned columns depending on your needs. Use the ampersand symbol to separate columns and double backslash to start a new row. One key advantage of arrays is that you can mix numbers and text. This works great when you need to label rows or add descriptions to formulas. You can also wrap arrays in brackets, braces, or parentheses if needed. Arrays give you the flexibility to annotate and align content cleanly in your documentation. Try LaTeX Math for Confluence free for 30 days on the Atlassian Marketplace. Links are in the description below.